Erosion of democracy or democratic backsliding has become a major concern in recent years for policymakers, practitioners, and scholars. While current work in the field concentrates on the specific path of regime transformation, research is confronted with a new puzzle, not yet tackled. What happens after erosion? Actually, we observe that illiberal and anti-democratic incumbents are voted out of office. It happened in Brazil, it happened recently in Poland, but also it can happen by inter-party change like in Ecuador. However, holding erosion is not reversing it. So the sole end of erosion, of democratic erosion, is not equivalent to reconstructing democracy and restoring a full-functioning liberal democracy. Democratic reconstruction after erosion means a multidimensional and complex endeavor. So I will look at what means undoing of undermined institutions, of the undermined principles and norms, but also of informal practices that had become authoritarian. What trajectories of post-erosion exists, and under what conditions does a democratic reconstruction after democratic erosion can be successful, or why would it fail? I want to tackle these questions during my stay here at Kellogg. I plan to develop a conceptual approach for analyzing this post-erosion democratic construction, and then I will explore 3 cases in a comparative analysis in an in-depth way. My cases are Ecuador, Brazil, and the most recent case of Poland, which allows me a cross-regional analysis, which will benefit this research. The findings of my study will contribute to a better understanding of the processes after the holding of erosion. Why is this important? It's important for policymakers and practitioners, as well as for scholars, because there are many processes still of eroding democracies that will someday and hopefully stop and hold. But we need a better understanding for this period after erosion, and for this, my study will contribute. Thank you.